A very good morning to everyone. Today I am going to teach you the topic homophones. In this topic, I am going to explain what is a homophone and the examples of homophones. Now, let us see why we have to learn these homophones. Homophones are the words which will confuse the people, the persons who are learning English. Here, homophones are confused by many people when they are writing or reading or speaking. Now, let us get free from that confusion and understand more clearly what the homophones are. And now, in this video, I am going to explain and divide the word homophone into two words and also read the definition. Let us divide the word homophone into two parts. Homo means same, phone means sound. Homophone, when we combine, it gives the meaning as same sound. Here, homophones are the words which give the same sound. And what are those words? And let us learn more clearly about those homophones with the definition. Let us see here. It is a word. Homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another. It will have the pronunciation as another word or words. అబ్బా ఇప్పుడు మనకు అర్థమైంది ఏంది హోమోఫోన్ అంటే ఒక వర్డ్, ఆ వర్డ్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ మిగతా వర్డ్ ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ సేమ్ ఉంటున్నాయి. అయితే ఒక వర్డ్ ఇంకో వర్డే కాదు, ఇంకా చాలా వర్డ్స్ కూడా ఈ వర్డ్ లాగానే ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ ఉంటున్నాయి. అలాంటి వర్డ్స్ని మనం హోమోఫోన్స్ అంటాం. సో నౌ లెట్ us see still some more definition is a but which has a different spelling or meaning. It will have the same pronunciation, same sound it gives, but it is different in spelling. ఆ వర్డ్ స్పెల్లింగ్స్ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటాయి, వర్డ్ మీనింగ్ కూడా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. దో దే సౌండ్ సేమ్, ద స్పెల్లింగ్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్ and the meaning is different. Now let us see more about them with examples. I can see a sea. I can see a sea. So here the sound, the word see, and here also the word see, both are pronounced same. The spelling is different. S-E-E-C, S-E-A-C. Here the meaning of this word and this word is different, though they pronounce it the same. Here this is looking with our eyes, and this one see is a place where we see a lot of water. It's filled with water. And now here we see some of the homophones given here. Sun, sun. Now when we read these two words and these two pronounce the same, sound is same, but spelling is different. S-O-N, S-U-N. The pronunciation is same, but the spelling is different and the meaning also is different. Sun is a male child and this sun is a star which gives light during daytime. The meanings are different, though they pronounce the same. So like that, words are called homophones. Now here this plane ante sadaga ee plane ante vimanam. The spellings, though they pronounced as same, plane, and here P-L-A-I, here spelling, and here A-E is there. Sound is same, but the spelling is different. Even the meaning also is different. Peace, and this is here, and here is another piece is there. Both pronounced same pronunciation, but the meaning is different and the spelling is different. Here P-E-A is there, P-I-A. So some letters are different in both the words. They are not same in spelling. Even the meaning is different. Peace, and that is one of the attributes of a person. And peace is peace of mind. I want to get peace of mind or happiness or freedom from disturbance. This is that peace. and this piece is a part of an object. And now here 8, it is a number, and this is 8, this is past tense of eating. So both the sounds are same, but here the spelling is completely different. Here three letters are here, here 5 letters are here, and meaning also is different. Here due to heavy rains the city was destroyed. Okay, so dew means because of heavy rains. The meaning of dew is different, and here dew is, that is snow. So droplets of water falling on the cool area. So that is at night time we say this dew, and this dew is different. Pronunciation is same, but the meaning is different, and spelling also is different. Fair, this is fair. We have to be fair in our work or in our game. When we play, we should be fair. And the fair also is referring to the complexion. Meaning of fair is different, and this fair is different. This is charges we pay for our journey. Okay, and so these two spellings are different. The sound is same, and weather and this weather and this weather is sound is same, and the meaning is different, and spelling also is different. Here WHEA is there, and here WHE is there. So here the spelling is different and meaning also different, but the sound is same. Here this weather is referring to WEATHER. Weather is referring to that is atmosphere, the condition, and here this weather is referring to whether it expresses choices, two options or some options. And next here see these 3 words are pronounced as same here. TO2, TOO2, and TOO2. And TO2 is a preposition, TOO2 is an adverb, and TOO is a number. So they pronounced the same, but different spellings, different meanings they have. So a long, 2 words are there, some space, a space between these 2 words, and here along is 1 word. So these, though they pronounced along, and they have different meaning. So along means with, along with. I went to market along with my mother. So along, so this is a long rope, a long table. So like that we use a long thread, a long line. So okay, you are your friend. So this is a possessive adjective. Your book, your pen, like that we use in a sentence. You are. So here apostrophe mark is given here. You are, 2 words are here. So your, though it is pronounced as the same your, but you are. Okay, next one here, road. I rode. So this is the road, the wide area which is used for transport, for people to go from one place to another place. And this road is means ride, road, ridden. This is a verb 2 of ride. And this is rain. This rain is ruling. The king reigns, the king rules. And this rain is the droplets we see when it is raining. So that is rain. So this rain is a strap, or this is a rope we tie to the horse. So this rain is, though they pronounce the same, the spellings are different and meaning is different. And here he'll. So here is it is given here short form, he will. Both the words are there, but and we use apostrophe mark and said heal, and this heal is different. Healing, this is giving healing, and this is a heal, and this is a heel, and the back part of our ankle is heel. So like that, though they pronounce the same, the meaning is different and the spelling is different. Such kind of words are called homophones.